Are you struggling to get your website visitors to share your content on Facebook? Now think about this. How many times have you clicked on a share button on someone else's blog post that you really liked to share their content? Social sharing was not a problem a few years ago, but over time, much like ad blindness, people see social share buttons everywhere, so they just ignore it. Now, even when your website visitors read your blog and love your content, they no longer share it like they used to. So how do you solve this problem? There is actually a simple solution for this problem. One of the easiest ways is to give your website visitors a sneak peek of your content. Make it so interesting that they would want to continue reading. They need to click on the share button to unlock the remaining content. For example, this is my blog post about 7 steps to a stress-free course launch. I have shared all the 7 steps in this post, and towards the bottom of the post I have a share button. But I hardly get any shares even though this is a great article. So now I'm going to show you a different way to do this. What I could have done is shared the first 3 steps, and then I could have locked the remaining content behind a Facebook share lock. And all the readers have to do is click on the button, share it instantly on Facebook, and then continue reading. Obviously, the content that's open should be so valuable that they can't wait to get to the next part and would willingly and happily share it so they can access the rest of the content instantly. This is exactly what you can do using the FB ShareToUnlock plugin. Facebook ShareToUnlock is a simple yet truly powerful WordPress plugin. It's super easy to use, takes just a few minutes to set up, it's highly customizable, and you can use it in a ton of different ways to make your content go viral on Facebook. Hide the juiciest part of your content, which could be an awesome video, it could be a download link, it could be a free report. Hide it behind a Facebook share lock. All you have to do is select the content that you want to hide. You could hide all types of content: audio, video, PDF file, ebook, images, part of your blog post, or even a coupon code. Your website visitors simply have to click a button to share it and unlock instant access to the hidden content. Think of it as an easy way for your website visitors to pay you back in a simple way to download your content. This plugin comes with a set of beautiful, elegant, high-converting templates to spark interest and to attract attention. You can check out the live demo section on the fbsharetounlock.com site. This plugin is pretty comprehensive in its ability to successfully lock your content and also track the visits, track the clicks, track the shares from an analytics dashboard. People need something other than a regular Facebook share button to spark their interest and to drive them to take action, and this is exactly what you can do using the FB ShareToUnlock plugin. When users share your page to get access to the content that you have locked, their friends and followers will see it in their feed, and some of them will click on it. They will visit your site and they will do the same. This process will repeat again and again, resulting in viral traffic to your site. Here's an example of how one of our users is using this plugin. He purchased this plugin last week and he has already set this up. You can see here, this is the content locker. And he has a countdown timer up here at the top. And when users click on the Share to Unlock button right here, we'll share this page on Facebook and unlock access to this content for free. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to click on this button. All right, so this is the Facebook share box. I'm going to go ahead and share this on Facebook. All right, and that's it. You can see the content has unlocked. All right, now let me show you my Facebook feed. You can see here, this is the shared content. So when my friends and followers see this and they click on this, they will land back on the same page and they can share the content, and this thing will continue. Now I'm going to give you a quick tour of the backend to show you how easy it is to set up your content blockers using the FB ShareToUnlock plugin. After you install and activate this plugin, here you will find a list of all the content blockers you have already created, and you can click on Add New Content Blocker to add a new one. So these are my content blockers. You can see I'm using it in many different ways: unlock access to my course, unlock coupon code, protect my blog, unlock my book, and I'm also doing a live demo on my sales page. So I'm going to edit a few of these and show you my settings. For example, say that you want to allow users to unlock your book for free, but only after they share your content, share your page on Facebook. So let me show you how I have set this up. I'm going to edit this and show you my settings. Give your content blocker a name. Cookie expiration will allow you to configure how often you want users to see the content blocker if they have already shared it once. Now you need to generate a Facebook app ID for your domain where this plugin is active. You just have to do this once. If you are not sure how to do this, we have a video right here in the documentation page. Message above the share box. This is going to be displayed right above your content blocker, and it's going to disappear upon a successful share. Now this message will be displayed in a pop-up when users complete a share successfully, and you can configure the message here. Next. Now here you can specify the content that you want to hide. Also, if you're looking to lock a certain part of your WordPress content, then you don't have to enter anything here. You can leave this empty. And what you can do is you will get a shortcode when you complete the setup, and you can enter the start tag right before the content that you want to hide. You can enter the end tag after the content that you want to hide. Alright, moving on to this section right here, you can see you can enter the title of the content that you want users to share. This will show up in the Facebook share box. So here you can enter the URL of the page that you want them to share. And this could be a page on your site, it could be a page on a third-party site. You can enter URL of any page, and the image that's going to show up in the Facebook share box, you can configure that image here, and the description field, this will also show up in the Facebook share box. Alright, next. So you can see here it comes with these 3 built-in templates, and the cool thing is you can upload your own image. So you don't even have to use any of these built-in templates. If you want your content blocker template to just be an image, then you can just upload your image, and that's what is going to show up in the front end. Now this is exactly what I did in my blog post. You can see here, this is actually an image. I am not using an existing template. So you can upload an image and use that as your content blocker. So after you select any one of these templates, it's going to bring you to the Customize Template tab. Here you can customize your content blocker. So this is one of the built-in templates, and everything that you see here is all click and edit. So you can change the content, you can change the text color, font, all of that is fully customizable. And there is a share box customizer if you want to decrease the width or increase the width, if you want to change the color of the top section, and a button customizer if you want to change the color of this button to something else, you can do that. And button width if you want to increase the width, decrease the width. Alright, so once you're done with customizations, go ahead and save it. It will give you a shortcode. You can insert this wherever you want the content blocker to show up. Now there are 2 ways you can hide your content. As I mentioned before, you can enter the content that you want to hide right here in this field, and when users complete the share, they're going to see this content. However, if you don't want to enter the content there and you just want to hide your WordPress content, then just insert the start tag of the shortcode right before the start of the content that you want to hide, and enter this end tag after the content you want to hide. Now let me show you my settings and show you how I have done this. Alright, so you can see here, this is my editor, and I have inserted the start tag right here. I have inserted the end tag right here, and this is the content that I want to hide. In the front end, users are not going to see this. They are going to see the content blocker, and when they complete sharing the content successfully, then the content that I have hidden between the start tag and the end tag, this is going to show up. Now here's another example. This is a WordPress page, and here I have inserted the shortcode right here, and I have inserted the end tag of the shortcode right here. And so everything that's in between the start tag and the end tag, all of this content, it's going to be hidden, and users in the front end, they are just going to see a content blocker. When they complete the share successfully, then this content is going to unlock. So create valuable content, make it free. All your visitors have to do to support you for giving them access to your free content is share it on Facebook for free access. If you are having difficulty generating social media traction despite producing great content, give this plugin a try and you will not regret it. So click on the buy button below to get started with this viral Facebook traffic generation plugin. If you have any questions about this plugin, you're welcome to join my Facebook group. My name is Veena Prashant. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.